Hello, let's discuss the concatenate function in Excel. As the name suggests, concatenate function joins several text strings to one text string. For example, we have two text strings here, Shri and Ganesh. Let's use a concatenate function to join them. So I type it equal to conc, and we have a function here. To select the function, I press tab. I link it to first string, then I give a comma and I link it to the second string. I close the brackets, I press enter, and I have the linking Shri Ganesh. Although it is not what I wanted entirely, but yes, the function has performed. Let's say I want some space in between. So between Shri and Ganesh, I want some space. So what I do, let's look at it. I'm pressing F2 to go into the function. I am adding in double quotes an empty space in between. I have given a comma again. So now what we have is Shri space Ganesh. To look at the function again through my internal formula, look at it, concatenate B7 space C7. It can connect a lot of strings, and this will help you in your Excel to show data which are to be linked in various ways. Let's understand this linking a string and a number. So I'm using a concatenate function to link a string and a number. There is not much difference. I write concatenate function, I link it to text. I also want to add something to it which is not there here. So what I do is I add a colon in between, and then I link it to 23, and then I say I want to add districts, which is not there, but I add Maharashtra 23 districts. See what I have done? Concatenate function B15 colon and districts, Maharashtra 23 districts. Very easy and very essential. The most usefulness I find of this function when normally we want to concatenate where we have an updating values. Normally if you end up developing a model or have an Excel, a lot of time people will change the values and you want to show this. Suppose this is a simple example. We have a principal and interest rate per annum is 12.5%. The interest you have to pay is 250 rupees per year. So based on that, you write your final answer. Interest payment on the loan of 2000 at 12.5% is 250. It is hard-coded return. If this changes to 13%, values changes from 250, now it has become 360, but your line is now wrong because it is not updated, because it is hard-coded. How to link it to this, we will see. So I've pressed Ctrl Z and I will show you how to link it here so that it keeps on updating. So I write concatenate. Whatever data is not there, you have to type. So I will type the interest payment of the loan. So and I write interest payment on a loan of, I keep some space. Now I will link it to 2000 here, comma, space, at, space, I link to 12.5% here. Interesting thing about this 12.5% will come shortly. Then space is space and I link to 250 here. So look at this. We have got now the answer linked to this. Unfortunately, this 12.5% is 0.125. Using text function, we can have this 12.5% as it is. So let's see that also. Concatenate with text function. So C23 is something which I have to convert. So I am using text. This is the value and the format I want is, let's say 0.0%. So this is the format I want in which the Excel should give me. I have not closed the brackets here. Now I press enter and see what we have. Interest payment on loan of 2000 at 12.5% is 250. Interesting. Now let's update this to 13%. This is not updated, but see, this line is updated. Interest payment on loan of 2000 at 13.0% is 260. can change this as well. Automatically my things getting updated. So very easy, use effectively so that it will reduce your typing time in Excel. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood concatenate function. Now we will see how all of this can be done by using a concatenation operator, which is ampersand symbol. You have used ampersand symbol. It looks this way. It is on the normally on top of 7 number on your laptop. This is an ampersand symbol. This can be used to connect. So very simple. If I want to connect Sri Ganesh, I can just link Sri ampersand Ganesh. It does the same function as we have in concatenate function. Very simple. If you want to add space again, ampersand के बाद space थोड़ा, again ampersand. So try this ampersand also. Very interesting and very easy also. See, and 23 ampersand space list. Yes, I say Maharashtra 23 districts. Very simple. Use ampersand symbol also in conjunction with concatenate. This will also help you to connect two strings. Thank you very much.